Bong Acosta is a mechanical engineering graduate, but his passion is a bit far from what he had pursued. Let's find out what it is in Lalas Babylonia's feature report.
It wasn't a typical childhood for Bong Acosta, a professional tattoo artist in the heart of Davao. He grew up on the streets and at a quite young age, Bong learned to fight for survival.
Una, nagsimula ako sa pagtatato way back in the 80s, mga 13 years old ako. Inside the prison, nakulong ako in the age of 13 years old.
Because of his perseverance as a working student, Bong finished the course Mechanical Engineering. Starting grade school, he was able to finance for his studies. Bong became a mechanical engineering practitioner, but eventually he shifted to tattooing, his real passion. Bong has been in the tattoo industry for 30 long years.
Nung kasi parati kong makukulong, parang nagsawa rin ako na parang kailangan ko rin mabuhay ng maayos. Kasi parang sawa na ako matulog sa kariton, nauulanan ako, naarawan ako. Parang nagkaroon din ako ng konting pangarap, pinilit ko mag-aral. Hanap ako ng hanap buhay, ng paraan na parehas. Pero kahit nasa bangketa ako, hindi ko nasubukan talaga magnakaw.
Most of Bong's children got their dad's talent, and in fact, two are already managing other branches of his shop, Skin Mode Tattoo, in Davao and in Cagayan de Oro.
Ano kasi ako galing ako sa bangketa. Yung inangko ko na yan, parang napabayaan na. Imbis na titira sila sa bangketa, para matutulad sa akin. Dadanasan ko na yun Mahirap.
Age of 15 na mas lower pa. Natuto na ako mag-drawing hanggang sa may evolution yung drawing ko. Hindi ko nag-stop kung ano yung dapat ko matutunan sa pagdodrawing. Kasi ma-apply ko siya sa pagtatato talaga.
Bong is one of the few tattoo artists here in the Philippines who practice the traditional way, or the Pambabatok style. Like the oldest Mambabatok Apo Wangod, he also hailed from the mountain province. I am one of the fortunate people who got inked by Bong. I must say the output was awesome. And as his client, I learned a lot from his movie-like life story. For PTV News, Lala Babylonia, Davao City.